In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create email campaign in Zoho CRM. We'll walk through creating a new campaign record so you can plan, track, and report on your email marketing directly inside Zoho CRM. This is great for keeping your naming consistent, your dates and budgets organized, and your team aligned on what the campaign is about. Start on the Zoho CRM homepage. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account and that you have permission to create campaigns. From the main navigation, open the Campaigns module. This is where all of your marketing campaigns live, and where you can view past and upcoming initiatives at a glance. Next, choose Create Campaign. You'll see a form open in a new layout. Layouts can vary by organization, so the exact fields you see may be slightly different, but the process is the same. Begin by entering a clear campaign name. A good name makes reporting and search easier later. Consider a simple naming convention like YYYMM/channel. Theme, for example, 2026-04, email, spring promo. Keep it descriptive but concise, so teammates instantly understand what it is. Now open the Type drop-down and select the kind of campaign you're creating. If you're planning an email outreach, choose email. If your organization uses other types like webinar or advertisement, pick the one that best matches the initiative. Choosing the right type will help you filter and compare performance across similar efforts. Add a description. Use this to capture the purpose, audience, value proposition, and any key notes your team should know. Think of it as the quick brief someone would need if they joined the project tomorrow: what you're sending, to whom, and why it matters. Next, fill in the remaining fields to your preference. Depending on your layout, you might see items like status, start date and end date, expected revenue, budgeted cost, actual cost, or campaign owner. Required fields are usually marked clearly, so complete those first. Dates help with timelines and future reporting, while budget fields let you compare cost to outcomes. Keep values accurate and consistent with your internal standards to make dashboards more reliable. When everything looks good, click Save. You'll be taken to the campaign's detail page, where you can review what you just entered and make quick edits if needed. From here, your team can reference the campaign record as execution progresses and use it later to analyze results. That's it. You've created an email campaign in Zoho CRM, named clearly, typed correctly,